Hey guys, we're here in-house at Emtan in northern Israel. We're here with Double Tapper and Zahal Org checking in. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of a view of the facility here, and I'm gonna talk about what Emtan offers. They're an AR specific platform is kind of what they specialize in, but they've got some other stuff going on as well, some future projects and some really cool stuff that we've seen while we're here. And what we're going to talk about is a few of their coolest rifles. This is one of the ones I like the best, but as far as this facility, and one of the things that makes it really so unique is that everything is made in-house. And a lot of you guys that know weapons and ARs and stuff like that, you know that when you take an AR, it's all about fitment, and you know, it's really tolerance. It's a tolerance weapon. So what separates it from firearms like an AK is, though, you know, tolerances are not important on those weapons. When you have a modern weapon, it's so important that you have tolerances. So if you've got a company that is not making, you know, all the way down to the screws properly, you can have issues with buffers and issues with, you know, all kind of little ball bearings, and even in your safety switch can be bad. But this is all fitted. The buffer was made for the receiver. It's not a home build. They're not using any inferior Chinese screws that they're ordering in from somebody else. So you know, that's a big deal, guys. Something you really want to look at. And really, their array of products is, in my opinion, very modern and very adaptable, and that's something really cool too. Just talk real quick about this one. This is a model MZ47A, but it takes AK-47 mags, which is pretty awesome. That you can just, you know, those of you who know, you know, maybe you're in the field somewhere and you're in, if it's shit really hits the fan, bad situation, and you happen to have to grab an AK-47 mag, and you've got a weapon that can feed that AK-47 mag, or if you're, you know, really trying to, we were talking earlier with Double Tapper about creating a noise signature, and a lot of the Israeli forces don't use AK-47. But on the other hand, if you're deep into, let's say, another area around here, and you didn't want to create a noise signature that was an M16 or 5.56 noise signature that everybody identifies as not being a local firearm, then you could use something like this, and it would have a noise signature that would just be kind of a normal AK-47 going off. So there's, you know, kind of two ways to that, and really just something, in my opinion, I just think it's really cool. They've also got some piston stuff and some other stuff, but I'll let my friends here kind of explain what they've got going on. What do you got going on over there?
Awesome. Hi, everybody. Yeah, so as Bone Tactical mentioned, we're here at Emtan, and one of their newest projects is the MZ9 9mm configuration for their AR-15. Here they have like an HK style stock, and this can come in a standard AR-15 stock. It can come in a longer barrel, ambidextrous, and it has, of course, the full auto switch. So this is a mil-spec rifle. Comes with Scorpion polymer magazines. Very little recoil, very short. If you're in a vehicle, this is a great option. So this is the MZ9. Even the sights, even the flip-up sights, the metal flip-up sights are made here by Emtan. They also have a tritium option for day and night operation. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let Double Tapper do the rest.
So what I've got here is the MZ15. Now this is more of their standard series, but this one happens to be a shorty. It's got a very short 7.5-inch barrel on it, and they've got a reduced length buffer tube on it that is side folding. It's side folding, but it still extends, so it gives you the perfect comfort level. At the same time though, for close quarters in vehicle type movement, it's very small and very easy to maneuver with. On top of that though, this is a regular ordinary AR style weapon, so it's got 5.56 magazines. And again, everything is built in-house here, all machined in place, and every single piece and part is tuned to fit and operate perfectly, and they field test like crazy. So they make sure everything really works.
Pretty cool. So I'll cut some footage of the facility and some of the things that we can show, and for the things that kind of we've seen, some of us have seen a few things here that we can't talk about, but be on the lookout for some future projects that are really cool as well. And as you guys can see, these people are really on the cutting edge of what they're making. Love that they're making everything in-house. And any questions and comments on this video below I'll get back to you any way that I can. The best way is in the public forum here, so questions and comments. Share this video if you like it in a form of helping to support and get more of these videos in the future. Check these guys out as well. Double Tapper, Zahal Org, Bone out.
The design room is in the background over there, where they do all the CAD drawings and they come up with all the prototypes. Down here on the floor is where they do all the manufacturing, all the pieces and parts, in all these CNC machines and other machines. And then in the back room is the finishing room, and there's a whole nother floor upstairs where each part gets fitted.
Okay. Yeah, we walked through the fitting room as well.
And that room in the background where you see the black door and the monitor is the test firing room.
Okay. And every weapon's test fired.
Every weapon is test fired, and every design is test fired to something like 10,000 rounds to make sure that it has the durability that the company wants.
Wow. Yeah, 10,000 rounds is a lot.
Yeah, it's well, you know, when you create a product that you're going to sell on the market, you want to make sure that you have something that is completely and totally reliable.
Absolutely.
So
I'm 100% with you.
Every piece and part is manufactured here from the screw on up, and everything is tested once it's been made into a weapon to make sure that it's 100% reliable.
Well, you guys saw it. You heard it from Double Tapper. You saw it in person. Really cool facility. Everything made here in-house. And like we said, questions, comments below. Bone out.